Okay, sometimes with strings it is useful to pull out parts of that string into another string, right? Or just to display it. So let's declare a new string, okay. So my original string is this is a test, right? So the way I can pull out pieces of this string is by using the substring method, right? So I'm going to say my new string equals the original string dot substring. Okay, now substring accepts one or two arguments, right? Let's start with the easy one. If you only pass it one argument, the argument you're passing it is the position in this string, in the original string, that you want to start at, right, to pull out a piece of the string. So let's say I wanted to pull out everything from here, is a test, out of there. So I would find what position this I is in the string. So it's, again, strings start with 0. So it's T is 0, H is 1, I is 2, S is 3, the space is 4. So this is starts at position 5. So I want to pull out everything from the 5th position all the way to the end of the string, right? And I'm going to print that out. Let's print out what we got, new string. Okay, so what I should get out of this is everything starting from here all the way over to there. So I should get is a test period. So if I run this code, I get is a test period, right? If I change the 5 to be, a 10, right, it's going to pull out everything from here from the test on, because if I count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, T is in the 10th position starting at 0, right? So that's the way substring works. Now, substring also can take two arguments. So the first argument is where you want to start, right? So I'm starting at 5. I'm starting on that I. Now, the S is in position 6, right? So let's say I wanted just the is, the 5th and 6th position. I put a 7 here because here's the way substring works. Substring takes the string starting at position 5, going all the way up to position 7, but not including position 7, not including this. So it's not going to include that space there, right? So if I ran this code, right, I'm just going to get the IS, right? If I put 8 here, you won't see a big difference here, but I get is with the space. There's actually a space there. And if I put 9 here, let's see, where is 9? 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is this blank after the A. So it's going to go up to, but not including this blank space after the A. So 5 to 9 is really characters 5, the I, 6, the S, 7, the space, and 8, the A, right? So it's not including. So I should get is A in this case, and I get is A, right? So substring lets you pull out pieces of a string with one or two arguments. Again, if I leave off the second argument, it just gives me everything to the end of the string is a test, right? It gives me everything to the end. If I specify the second argument, it gives me everything up to but not including that position in the string.